Hello everyone, today we are going to solve group anagrams problem. So in this problem, we have an array of strings and we have to group all the anagrams. So what is this anagram? This anagram means a word which we can generate or made using a different word by changing its all the letters. So let's understand. Here I have a letter EAT. So if I change its, rearrange its letter, I can make TEA, I can make ATE. So these all are anagrams. I can make number of anagrams. So what I have to do, I have to find how many, I have to group all the anagrams. So here this eat, T, this 8 is one anagram. Okay. So I have grouped these anagrams. So now 10, this net is 1. So I group them. And this bat is 1. So I have written these all anagrams. So I hope you understand what is anagrams and what we have to return. Now, how do we solve this problem? How do we find that these and these have same number of characters plus same characters? That means if I have ATE and it have ATEE, so these are not anagrams. We have same number of characters plus same character. So now how do we do that? Basically, whenever there is a question like we have to store number of, or we have to find the frequency, or we have to store, we use another map or simply HashMap. So let's understand how we can solve this problem with the help of HashMap. So what we have the intuition is, let's say I have these three anagrams EAT, I have this TEA, and I have this ATE. What if I sort all of them? What it will become? It will become ATE. Sorry, it will become AET. It will become ATE, AET, and it will also become AET. Okay, so how I got one thing. What I will do is to group all these anagram. I will sort this strings and make this, use this as a key. I can use this as a key. So how do I use this as a key? I will make this AET here, and here I will use vector. Okay, and in that vector I will store the original key. So AIT, first of all I am sorting this, one sorting, so all of them will have the same string. So this key I will store the vector. Let's say EAT will also be there, TE will also be there, and this AT will also be there. Now if I do this 10, so this 10 will be A and T. So A and T have this TAN and NAT, and my bat will be ABT, will have this. Now once I made this three list, once I map this, now what I have to do, finally just I have to create one answer which will be my vector of vector, and in this I will pop out all this second element, all these values. So I will pop this, first of all 8, this one, and then I have my 10 and net, and then finally my bat. So this is how I will solve this problem. So what is the first step? The first step is very simple. I have to, first of all, I will sort this string. I will sort this string. And once I will sort this string, it will become my key. And I will map it key with this string. And it will be vector. My value will be vector. Because there may be many strings which have the same key. So I will use it as a vector. Now once I made this, second thing is store it into answer. I hope you understand this intuition. Now let's check out the code and do an analysis over there. So here what we are doing is, first of all we are creating this map, and this map will have a key which is string, and its values will be vector. Vector of a string. So this is a string and its value will be vector of a string. So what I am doing is, first of all, I will iterate all over this vector, strings vector, and I will take my current string and it sort it. And once I sort that, this will become my key. This sorted string will become my key. And in that sorted string, I will post my original string. Now, once I do that, I will get my map. So once I will get my map, I will use this answer vector, and in answer, I will post all these vectors. All these vectors. This is my, I can say, c dot second. This is my pair, and this is my first. This is key, and this is second. So I will store this. I will store this for all keys, and once I have done this, I will return my answer. So now let's understand what will be our time and space complexity. So if I say what will be my time complexity of this, so the time complexity of this will be of n in the worst case, and time complexity of this will be of n, and time complexity of this, what will be time complexity of this? Let's say if length of this string is L, in the worst case it will be L into log L. So I can say overall time complexity of this will be O into L log L, where this n is number of strings in this and L is length of string. Okay. Now we have to see what will be time complexity of this. So time complexity of this will be O of n. Simply. So I hope you got the answer. So our time complexity will finally be O of n log L into this, and our space complexity for using this vector will be O of n. So our final time complexity is this, space complexity is this. I hope you understand the intuition and the source code. If it helps you, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.